So let's discuss about the difference between Selenium and QTP. It's also most important to know why do we choose Selenium over the QTP. So there are people who also ask you a question in a different manner, saying that why do you choose Selenium over the QTP? And somebody will ask what is the difference between Selenium and QTP. Whatever it is, the answer is same. The first thing is it's free tool. What is free tool? Selenium is a free tool and QTP is paid. The second thing is it supports all platforms. Is nothing but it supports Windows, Linux, Mac. It supports only Windows. The third one, it supports all browsers. What are the browsers? Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera, Safari. But it supports only IE and Firefox. Okay, it supports all languages. Whatever the language you take, it has a but it supports only VB script. So if you doesn't know VB script, you cannot go with the QTP. To work with the QTP, one has to learn VB script mandatorily, without which you can't do anything with the QTP. It has huge community than QTP. It has lesser community comparatively with Selenium. And the most important point is that, so till now the Selenium is on upper hand, right? So Selenium also has a limitation. It doesn't support Windows applications. QTP support it. If you want to automate Windows based applications as well as web based applications, so it is recommended to go with QTP. If you want to support more on web based and less on Windows based, it is recommended to go with Selenium. So by the way, web based applications we know, right? So Amazon.com, when you call it on the browser, you are going to load a page. That is a web based application. And what else? There are many. Even Google.com is also a web based application, and Drive is also a web based application, right? And what are the Windows based applications? Okay, so Skype is a Windows based application, something which can be installed on your system. Skype is a Windows based application, and Eclipse is also a Windows based application because it can be installed on your machine. And TeamViewer is also a Windows based application. So whatever you can able to install in your system and which is available only in your system, not in other systems. Okay, if you install in your system, so it will be available only in your system. How it will be available in other systems? Okay, as long as you don't install, it will not be available, right? So everything which you can install in your system, we call it as Windows application. Anything you can accessible over the browser, we call it as web applications. Remember that. Okay, so that's all about Selenium versus QTP.